How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. So hello everyone. So let's just open up the Snapchat app right here. Click on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner. Click on the gear icon, which will take us to the settings page. Let's scroll down to the very bottom, and under the account action section, you should be able to see the My Data option. So tap on My Data and wait for this page to load, and you should be asked to enter your password, send a verification code and all that. So just follow the steps, and once you scroll down, you should be able to see this part right here. So just enter your email address and click on submit request. So I already submitted a request, and once your data is ready, you should be emailed as well. This part of the page should show. So tap on the zip file right here, and it should take you to a browser or Safari. So click on download, go to the downloads tab right here, and click on the zip file. So tap on it, and it should take you to the Files app. And this is the file that we just downloaded. So tap on it, and the zip file should be extracted, and then a folder will show up. So open up the folder and go to the HTML folder, and let's scroll down from here and find the HTML file that says friends. So let's find that, and this is it right here. So tap on the friends HTML file, and you can find the deleted friends from here. So as you can see, there is that tab that says deleted friends. So you can just scroll through that list and find the username and all the other information of the friends that you have deleted on Snapchat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.